In this video, I'm going to be talking about different types of keywords, and in particular, the types of keywords that are best avoided when it comes to creating content for your affiliate website. So let's get started. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. I hope you're all well. So this video is part of a playlist of 10 videos all around keyword research and creating content for your affiliate website. Put the playlist together with my friend Doug Cunnington. Doug is an Amazon affiliate expert, and we've been working together on this playlist for a little while now, each of us creating different videos. So if you've not already watched the other videos in the playlist, I suggest you pause this video right now and go back to video number 1 and watch them all in order. It'll make a lot more sense if you do it that way. So which keywords are best avoided? Well, let's talk about a few different types of keyword. First type of keyword I want to talk about is navigational keywords. So these are keywords where people are looking for a specific company. So these keywords are generally brand names or website addresses, and they are people looking for a particular destination. There is no point trying to rank for these keywords because the person knows what they're looking for. They're looking for a brand, they're looking for a company, and that's what they want. So there's no point trying to get ranking on keywords like this. The second type of keyword is informational type keywords. So this is when people are looking to learn something. They might be typing questions into Google, like how can I do something or where can I do something? And they're basically looking for an answer to a question. Now these type of keywords should be approached with caution. It really depends on the type of information they're looking for. If, for example, they're looking for what is the best pressure washer to clean my drive, then that one could be a particularly good keyword for your affiliate marketing website. So if your niche was around pressure washers, that could be a good keyword for you because you could create a lovely piece of content all around pressure washers and the best ones to clean a drive. On the other hand, if someone was searching for how do I fix my broken pressure washer, that might not be such a good keyword. You might be thinking, oh, well, they're looking to buy a new pressure washer. But if you look at the keyword carefully, you can clearly see that they're looking to repair the one they currently have. So you could produce a great piece of content all around things to check and things to do when you're looking to repair your pressure washer, but it's unlikely to lead to a product sale because the person's going to read your article, they're going to fix their existing pressure washer, they don't need to buy anything. So question keywords can be good, and especially good in terms of giving you inspiration to create content. And if you're looking to find some of those question keywords, be sure to check out the other video in this playlist, which is all around a fantastic tool called Answer the Public, which you can use to unearth those great questions. Generally, informational keywords should be approached with caution. You're going to be looking for the questions that could lead to a product sale. The best types of keywords generally for an affiliate site are transactional type keywords. So that's when people are looking for, say, product reviews or which product is best or how do I choose the best whatever product for my needs. They generally include a product in the actual search, and they're people that are looking to buy something and they just need a little bit of help with that purchasing decision, and that's where you as an affiliate can come in with a great piece of content to help them buy. So it could be a review, it could be a comparison, which product is best for a particular task, that kind of thing. But they've got a commercial intent behind them. The person is ready to buy. They just need a little bit of help and a little bit more information in order for them to make that purchase. There are some other types of transactional keywords, and these keywords tend to include words like buy or for sale, that kind of thing. Now, these keywords might look good on the surface because they are showing some serious buyer intent by using words like buy and for sale. However, you'll find that when you look at the results, they generally show local results if there are local retailers that offer whatever it is you're searching for. And then it's generally big brands and authority sites that are coming up, and you would find it very difficult to compete with these. So in my personal opinion, I think it's best to avoid these type of transactional keywords. A good thing to do when you've identified some keywords is do some searches on Google and look at the kind of results that are coming up. If there are other affiliate sites that are ranking, then it could be a good keyword for you. If the search results page is mainly videos, then an article might not rank so well for that keyword, and you might want to think about creating some video content. If the search results page for a particular keyword just shows lots of big brands and sites like Wikipedia and other big authority sites all over page one, then the chances are you're going to struggle to get ranking. So run your keywords through Google, look at the search results pages, what sorts of listings are coming up, are they affiliate sites, are they blog sites? Is there a natural place for your site to sit? By keeping that in mind, when you're doing your keyword research, you'll be able to identify the best keywords for you and be able to identify the keywords that are probably best avoided. That brings us to the end of this video. As I said earlier, this video is part of a playlist. Be sure to watch all the other videos in the playlist. I'm sure you'll get a lot out of them. To help you navigate, I will put the next and previous videos on the screen now. You can click on those to move around in the playlist. If you're not already subscribed, then please click on my face there to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And be sure to check out Doug's channel. You'll find it over there. Click on Doug's face, subscribe, and check out his great videos. Until next time, bye for now.